Well, his lads well behaved. Do they feel what you feel, or do they pretend they do? Burning luck is turning real, and the lies are true. For the blue, for the blue. So far, so good, so long as I have this song, I will sing through winters and springs about the beautiful things that maybe tomorrow brings. My tongue in cheek, my wish to speak, everything clings, comes in one breath. My life stronger when nights are longer. Tomorrow brings through smoking rings, year of death. The far so painful and wrong. In my pocket, one more song to sing about things that tomorrow brings. Outside, ugly dog that waits, wants to sell you for a bone. 180 somethings. Want you dead, want you gone. Years that we fear, maybe far, maybe near. Unclear, riding the night on one-eyed horse, and old plane that you may slip in by the gate, about to fade, nothing left to fade. It could only get worse. So far, so near, so long, in my pocket one more song about the things that tomorrow brings.